You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply transfer money from ATM to another bank account. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with the process. So yes, you can transfer money from ATM to another bank account if the ATM support fund transfer. And here is a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply transfer money using the ATM. So let's get started. The first step is to insert your debit card into the ATM, then enter your PIN to access your account. Then from there you have to select funds transfer or transfer money. So once that is selected, then enter the recipient account number details. For example, just input the account number, then the bank name, then confirm the amount you want to send. Then also you have to verify and complete the transaction. Then here's the key important note about this transfer. The recipient bank must support bank transfer using the ATM, and also some ATMs only allow transfer between same bank accounts, so you may be charged a transaction fee for interbank transfer. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from ATM to another bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.